Hello everybody and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. Today we're talking about refrigeration. In this case, a fridge which after 15 years developed a leak in the internal piping, because what it originally had is a plate behind the back wall of the fridge over here. So what you see here was not visible, and upstairs up at the top over there was the freezer compartment. So it had piping inside the lining, and then the freezer compartment door seal had the heaters as well, and that started leaking. So after 15 years you got a perfectly good cabinet because the seals are good, all these glass shelves and the interior, all of that stuff still in good shape. So I don't really need the freezer. This is a one-man show, don't keep frozen food. So I cut out I disconnected everything but the condenser from the compressor. We'll have a look at that in a moment. And I went and bought this evaporator plate over here, and I screwed it to the back wall. Over there I drilled 2 holes through the back wall for the pipes to go through. And yes, there was an accident. I did crack it and I had to fix it, but this was 3 months ago and that repair is holding up. This is a 134A system, by the way. So the thermostat, the capillary for it, I just cable tied or zip tied to the bottom over there, as you can see, after drilling 2 holes in the evaporator plate. I just 3D printed some standoffs for it, and 4 thick screws through the standoffs holding it in, and there we go. That's the interior part of the fridge serviced. It works very well. Down the bottom I just made sure that over there the plate is bent down, because down below is the original drain channel for the condensate to go into, as this ice over here melts during the off cycle, because this is a thermostat that makes sure that the evaporator is warmed up to above freezing before allowing a restart. It's got a fixed cut-in point. Anyhow, let's go around the back. Let me hold this out and I'll show you what I did at the back, and then I'll conclude this video. Right, so over here what we have is the original compressor over there. There's the evaporator pan where the water goes from inside. There's the process tube which I fitted a new Schrader valve fitting to for evacuating and charging. So that stayed original. The discharge from the compressor going to the condenser, which is up here above. I then over here fitted a new dryer to the discharge from the condenser, and the capillary tube goes to our new plate which is mounted inside. And then just out of sight over here at the back, there we have got my finger, you can see the pipes that were disconnected. 2 high pressure lines which came from the condenser. So the condenser used to go back inside, so to basically subcool the liquid, and then it would come back out, go to the dryer and go to the capillary, and then of course you had your suction line, which is visible over there, which came out and went to the compressor. So now I've got a new line. I just extended the line from up there inside on the plate, brought it down behind the condenser, and over here it's attached to the suction of the compressor over there. And that's pretty much what happened here. I'd say that it was about half a day's work, and I spent about 700 Rand, which would be the equivalent to about $40 to fix this fridge. That's what the cost was. And it meant that I don't have to go shopping for a new fridge. It means that I'm not creating waste by throwing this cabinet away. It means that there's less waste, and so on and so on. It was a beneficial situation. I'm fortunate that I could do this myself. You could get somebody to do it for you, depending on what they charge. So that's the story. That wraps it up. Got my fridge fixed. It's got new life. I only use it as a fridge. It's no longer a top freezer section as well. But that's fine. I'm just a guy who buys fresh food every day and wants to keep it cool. No family with frozen food requirements. And yeah, see you for more. Hope you found it interesting, useful. Ladies and gentlemen, have a wonderful day further. I'll see you for more next time. Thank you. Cheers.